name is Andrew Chen, and I am a professor and the head of School of Engineering at the University of Tasmania. There's a number of them. One is that they don't know the amount of energy and resources they use in the real time. They do not understand the technology, and they are not finding out the defects before the production is completed. And they are not collecting the data. And even when they are collecting the data, they are not analyzing the data or using the data immediately. The Testlab project allows the SME to catch up and to be ahead of the game. This technology would help the industry in Tasmania. MindSphere is partly open source and partly proprietary software that would allow a seamless integration of data and devices, IoT devices collecting data and display and analysis of those data. And it will demystify and also hide a lot of the complication between the IoT device and the users. The role of the university is to help them to understand the problem that they face, and we need to help them to demystify the technology. And more to that is that we should offer a reasonable set of technology solution and assist them and carry out the implementation. And we can actually help them to interpret the data and even offer extension of what they can do and help them to do even better. If we can help our industry to produce better and produce higher quality, then we can have a good advance over our competitors. University has the advantage of having the knowledge and also the expertise to learn something new very quickly, and we can bring it to the SME in a better way. Industry 4.0 technologies will impact in the way that we produce and distribute food in a number of ways. From the beginning, it will reduce and monitor the energy and water use. The other thing that we can learn from advanced manufacturing is what they call early fault detection. That means they can find out something is going wrong before the whole batch is created. We also talk about authenticity of the product. Is that if the product is in a market and the customer can actually check and verify the oyster or the wine or other food, we really have the right DNA that would be useful to authenticate that the product is actually coming from Tasmania. So all this a technology that has been developed or can be developed from existing advanced manufacturing. Those two words, solution and technology, are very important in the Industry 4.0 revolution. And the engineers can help the SME to understand the problem that the industry faces, and they can also assist in interpreting the data. And once the solution is implemented, they can monitor and help to improve and look for the next development. The Testlab, on one hand, is providing the equipment for free for them to learn, so that they don't have to actually provide a high capital cost in order to access those equipment. And also, in order to use the equipment, they don't have to start from themselves. And university have expertise that use the equipment and help them to use them. And this will de-risk and also minimize the capital outlay that they need to get into the technology itself. In a way, is that this is different from the university, the old university model, is that we are not finding a problem that is interesting to us, and we use them as the means to arrive at the solution. But we are trying to find out a problem that is relevant to them, relevant to their business, relevant to their survivability, and relevant to their bottom line, so that we can work with them to help them thrive and also work well in the business.